Hi everyone, Dennis Foley from Acoustic Fields. Today we're going to talk about one of our mastering rooms in Southern California. We've decided to let it go. We have three, so this is one that we're going to get rid of. Actually, we lost our lease, and I don't really need another facility, so we're just going to unload everything that's there. Excuse me. What's there? 90 of our ACDA 10 and 12 modules. See a photo here in the graphic. 16 QDA 13 diffusers. So you're doing a mixed room, you have front and rear wall diffusion, sidewall absorption. We haven't addressed the ceiling. We can do that later if you're interested in the modules. The ACDA 10, 30 to 300, strong. The ACDA 12, 30 to 50, really strong. You can see the performance here in this graphic. There's nothing like our carbon technology in the marketplace. I don't care what anyone says. You can't beat these numbers. Nobody can. So this is why we're able to get our results. So QDA 13 diffuser, it's about 800, 850 to 3450 for the mid-range diffusion. Nice frequency response for diffusion. Cherry wood, they look beautiful. You can see in the graphic how pretty they are. All our stuff is hand finished and hand built. 14, 8, 17 would be a good room size. That's what we laid out for these modules in this room. You can go smaller, obviously, but that was the maximum. It's just the four walls. We haven't talked about the ceiling. We can talk about that depending on your ceiling height, those that are interested. Here's the beautiful thing about it. This room is razor flat, plus or minus 2 dB from 30 to 20K. We'll guarantee that for you with the modules. So you won't have any worries about that. 94% resolution of all room issues. We have 3 room resolutions that we give to clients, that we offer to clients: 70, 80, 90. 70 is hobbyist, 80 is professional mix, and 90 is mastering. This was my studio, so I pushed everything to the limit, and we were able to get 94%. This is a beautiful, beautiful room if it fits your needs. It's about 79,500 retail, 35K for the 106 units, 80 pounds each. You got 8,500 pounds of treatment. You got over 4 tons. Okay, this is serious stuff. Nothing in this room moves, only your emotions from what you hear. Okay, so it's a beautiful chance for those of you that are on a smaller budget that want mastering level resolution to use our modules. Thank you.